Look at this vending machine. Oh my god. Why would you send me this? Who sent me the why? So gross. This is so gross. This is so gross. This is so gross. This is gross. This is gross. This is gross. This is so gross. This is nasty. This is nasty. So nasty. This is so nasty. This is so nasty. This is so nasty. Okay, something came up. Be back in. Lots of water and grass. Dude, this is so gross. This is so gross, but why? Like, oh, what do I want to eat today? Ooh, scorpion, tarantula, grasshopper, ew, lotus. Ah! Oh my god, he's gonna use his mouth. Oh, really? Vending machine for bullying people, pretty much. Damn. Dude, it's alive. Dude, if it's alive, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Ah, this is so nasty. They're too hair for me. I would not eat. What would you eat then? What if they shaved it? I feared it would keep some of the salt. Ew. Oh, I would not be able to touch it, dude. I think I would start crying. I would cry. I would be like, yeah, I'm good. I tried those flavored crickets. Ew! What are flavored crickets? Burn the hair off like pork? Oh my god. Dude, he better not put that in his mouth. Don't eat this. Don't eat this, dude. Don't eat that. It's like... What is that? This ass? Chocolate crumble crickets too? What is... Oh, why? Where are you going to eat that, Viper? Where are you going? This shit is huge. Yeah, imagine it coming alive and then going in your throat like... It's a treat. Ooh. Ah! Ah! What a... So go, you eat flavored crickets? Hell no. Hell to no. Hell to no. Not bad. Oh my god, dude. They're much juicier alive? What do you mean? They're more juicier alive. Ew. You probably buy it off Amazon. I'm not buying shit. What about ants? I ain't buying ants either. Sounds yummy? Hell no, do not lick your lips to this. That's disgusting. You take that tongue, you put it back into your mouth hole. God, you need to watch more reacting streams with more bug videos. So good. No! I hate... Ah, he bit it! He bit it! Ah! That's so gross. Oh my god, that's so gross. That's so gross. Oh my god, that's so gross. That's so gross. Oh my god, that's so gross. That's so gross. Look, he's like shaking. Dude, he doesn't like it. He does not. He's perfectly... Dude, he is faking it. This looks like a cock. Get this out of my face.